coward. You brought a gun and I brought flowers. I might stick around for a couple of hours just to see you. Oh, you brought smoke and I brought rain, waiting on better weather again, and it's true, my flowers will bloom, or so I thought. But then bang, bang, you shot me down. I fell to the ground, pouring rain filled up my mouth. You let me bleed to death so I wouldn't drown. What a gentleman. Oh, you got drunk and I stayed sober. Wait until this day is over to walk around the field of clover in the moonlight. I stayed with you for a day or two, packed my bags and that was through. Life's moving on with or without you, or so I thought. But then bang, bang, you shot me down. I fell to the ground, pouring rain filled up my mouth. You let me bleed to death so I wouldn't drown. What a gentleman. Oh, life sure is a funny place. You fall right down and hit your face just when you think you got it all figured